Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your system and taking the first concrete steps. Install Soulseek now. Make sure your OS meets minimums and that Qt dependencies exist on Linux. Once downloaded, run the installer and grant firewall permissions so peers can connect. Create a memorable but unique username and a strong password. This affects your identity and security in the network. While installing, choose an appropriate install folder and enable auto-updates if you want the latest fixes automatically applied. Next, configure how Soulseek shares and connects. Add only organized folders to sharing, avoid system or sensitive directories so you don't expose private files. Then assign a static TCP port in client settings or enable UPnP on your router. Test reachability with the client status indicator or an external port checker. Configure upload slots and bandwidth caps to a safe percentage so your internet stays usable. This keeps downloads flowing without choking other apps. Save settings and restart the Finally, learn to find and fetch files efficiently and what to do if things fail. Use Soulseek's advanced search filters like exact file name, file type, and size range so you get fewer false matches. Then view sources and start transfers, using priority or pause/resume when needed. Verify downloads by checking file size and briefly playing media. If connections fail or transfers stall, recheck router port forwarding and your firewall rules. Change the client port and restart Soulseek. This resolves most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.